Hi! So this weekend, I modified a framing square to add this piece of wood on the back, which at first glance might seem kind of counterintuitive. When you add this piece of wood to the back, you can no longer flip the square over and use it on both sides. But with this piece of wood on the back, it does give the square an extra piece of functionality. You might be familiar with the speed square, which has something similar. It's got this lip on either side. The idea behind a speed square is you can push it up against the edge of a piece of material and draw a line, and you know that line is going to be perfectly square. So I wanted to do something similar, but for a larger square. So often something I'll do a lot is I'll have a piece of sheet material, such as plywood, and I will want to draw a line perfectly square across that piece of plywood. So my thought is that I could take this, butt it up against the side of the piece of plywood, and then draw a line across the piece of plywood, pull it back, and then it's good. Hopefully this project was just as fun for you to watch me make as it was for me to make myself. It was pretty fun. If you have any suggestions to make these videos better, or you have anything you want to tell me, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, if you want to hear when I make new videos, feel free to subscribe as well. That helps me out a lot. But in any case, thank you. I hope to see you soon. Bye.